Creating landing pages has never been easier. You can use tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok. It all is going to work. It's the same steps. It's all just about prompting. I'm gonna show how to do just a simple landing page using Gemini. So if you're really new to this, you can start with asking, I want to create a landing page. What do you need from me? And you'll get a description on what you should add, like the goal, the target audience, product offer, value proposition, and etc. You can be very specific and get a very specific result. But for this purpose, I'm going to make it as simple as possible, and it also is going to work. So, for example, write me an HTML code for a single page landing for what topic for a Mars mission. There should be a call to action button at the end, which will redirect to another site. That's it. Press enter. And let's see what it does. So at the right, you can see the code. And we're soon going to be able to see the preview. Now, here it is. Here's the landing. So, humanity's next great leap, establish a permanent self-sustaining human settlement on the red planet by 2035. This is more than exploration, it's colonization. Secure your place. Let's see where it's heading from here. Secure your place. Nowhere. Apply for mission status. So this is the button that's going to redirect the users for any link that you will place there. But let's check where is this button going. So for example, secure your place. See where it's taking us. Secure your place. Yeah. So here you can include your link. And the same with at the very end, apply for mission status. Here you can include your link again. So let's just, for an example, set it to google.com. And I'm going to save this code in Visual Studio as HTML and show you what it opens. And here's the landing page. Let's check the redirect. Should be taking us to google.com, and it is. And that's it. You can use these steps for any AI tool like Grok, ChatGPT, Claude. It all is going to do the same job, equally perfect. That's it.